How to specify credentials when connecting to boto3 S3. On Boto, I used to specify my credentials when connecting to S3 in such a way. I could then use S3 to perform my operations, in my case deleting an object from a bucket. With boto3, all the examples I found are such. I couldn't specify my credentials and thus all attempts fail with invalid access geared error. How can I specify credentials with boto3?
You can create a session. Then use that session to get an S3 resource.
You can get a client with new session directly like below.
This is older, but placing this here for my reference too. boto3.resource is just implementing the default session. You can pass through boto3.resource session details. This URL. You can see that it just takes the same arguments as boto3.session.
I'd like to expand on that Justgagi's answer. The method I prefer is to use AWS CLI to create a config file. The reason is, with the config file, the client with SDK will automatically look for credentials in the .aws folder. And the good thing is that AWS CLI is written in Python. You can get CLI from Pippy if you don't have it already. Here are the steps to get CLI set up from terminal. After this, you can access Boto and any of the API without having to specify keys, unless you want to use a different credentials.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.